If you want to clone apps on Google Pixel 11, then unfortunately we do not have a dedicated dual app feature or a feature that allows us to simply duplicate or clone apps. But what we can do is we can use the private space feature, which technically can be used to clone apps, because private space allows you to separate data and apps from the rest of the phone. So in order to set it up, you can just tap on the search field at the top of the app drawer, and then in here we can just type private space. There we go. Now you will need to verify yourself with the fingerprint or screen lock password, and then tap on setup. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Afterwards, you can set up a Google account, and the reason why you want to set up a Google account on a private space is because, like I said, the private space has its own dedicated space, separate space that is not connected to anything outside of it. And this includes the Play Store. So in order to be able to open a Play Store in the private space and install apps in the private space, you need to have a Google account in the private space, just like you need one in your phone in general. So without a Google account, you cannot really use the Play Store, of course. So over here, I'm just gonna skip, and I'm gonna sign into my account. Now over here, I'm gonna choose that I will be using this device, and we need to agree to Google Terms of Service. And now here we have the option to create a password for the private space, or you can use exactly the same password that you use on your phone, so for the screen lock. So the question is if you want to keep these cloned apps private, if you want to make sure that no one has access to them, except for you, of course. So if you want to keep them privately as well, so if you want to make sure that the password is completely different from the password to your phone, then of course you can choose a new lock. In my case, I don't really care about keeping them private, I just want to duplicate them, so I'm gonna choose to use the screen lock instead. But of course, like I said, it's up to you. And there we go, now we are done. So we can tap on the done button, and here at the bottom of the app drawer, you should be able to find the private space. To open it, tap on this lock here on the right side, and then of course enter the password to the private space, or use the password, or just go through the screen lock that is set up on your phone. Now here you can find immediately some apps that have been installed for you, and everything that you have in here is separated from everything here, so just to of course keep that in mind. So how we can now clone apps? It's very simple. Just use this add button and choose install apps. You will open the Play Store, and let's actually go back for a second. Let's say I want to clone WhatsApp. I have WhatsApp installed on my phone, so I can now go to install apps in here in the private space, and I can easily search for WhatsApp again. There we go. And here, as you can see, I can actually install the app. So even though I technically have it installed, it is not installed in the private space. So therefore, why it's not detected that it is installed. There we go. Now it is installed in the private space as well. And here it is. And it doesn't have any data whatsoever. This is like a completely new, fresh app that just has been installed. And now I can set it up in a different way than this one over here. So I can use a different account, for example. I can use different data, different settings, and so on and so forth. And you can do this with pretty much every app over here. So whenever you install in the private space, it doesn't really correlate, or it's not connected in any way to the app outside of the private space. This is how we can duplicate with the private space on Google Pixel 11. Leave a like and subscribe.